want a lunch lady, the kids wouldn't eat ya. You should be shaking her hand and saying, pleased to meet ya.
I'm going to show you guys one of the meals that I like to make. It is bird's eye garlic chicken, family size. You can find it at Walmart in the frozen section. If you look on the nutrition facts, it says serving size is 178 grams. This bag, there's 7 servings at 240 calories. What we're going to do is we're going to double that. We're going to make it 3.5 servings, and that's going to be at 480 calories for the 3 servings. And then that half a serving is going to be 240 calories. Okay, first thing we need to do is weigh our bowl. 37 grams. And on here it says we needed 178 grams of serving. Like I said, we're doubling that because instead of 7 servings, we're going to make 3.5 servings. So that's 356 grams. So we're going to we need a total of 393 grams because of the weight of the bowl. Alright, we're going to weigh out another bowl. This one says it's 40 grams. So 40 plus 356, we're going to need 396 grams. Get your scoops out. Keep recording. We have another bowl. That one's at 40 also, so we need another 396 grams. Where's my hand? Okay, so we got 3 servings. We were supposed to get 3.5. It does say on here servings per container about 7. So since we doubled that, that would mean about 3.5. I don't think this is about a whole serving. So call the manufacturer and see if I can get a coupon.